In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily fix internet connection problems and how you can fix the problem that your Wi-Fi is disconnecting or something. Okay, for the first step, what we can do is that we go here up there. So go into the home menu, go up and then to the right until we get into the settings. Click on the settings, and here we can directly go on the network. So if you don't have this here, then go into the device preferences or in all settings, and then we should also see like network and internet. Okay, and then we can click on this here. So, and for the first step, it is really important that we do two steps before. So what we can do first is that we turn the TV off, and then we unplug this. And what we also can do is that we go to our Wi-Fi router and then turn it also off, and then wait like 1 minute, then plug the TV in again, then go into the settings like here, and turn the Wi-Fi router on again. So, and after that we go here into the network settings, and here make sure that you turn the Wi-Fi on. So, and then here we have our available networks. If you don't see your network, then go here on see all. So, and then here what we can do is that we select the right network here. So click on this, and here we can easily type in the password. If we have already typed in the password and we should be connected, then we can go here on our connection and then go down here and to make sure that you forget this network and then type in the password again. So sometimes this is really helpful to fix the problem. Okay, and if this not helps, then what we can also do is that we go back here into the apps. So click on this, and then not apps, into the device preferences or all settings here. So, and then we can click here on about, and here we can try to do a system update. So sometimes this is really helpful, or what we also can do is try to restart the TV. So sometimes this helps when restart the TV that the problem is fixed. Okay, what we also can do is that we go into storage, and here we can clean up like so we go here first on internal storage, and then here we can clean up the cache. So go on cache here and then clear cache. Okay, and this is all we have to do, and then your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.